Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I am Rosalie Putri and I am very happy to able to share my knowledge to offer you. Today we'll discuss about the interesting and important material, namely is hortatory exposition netiquette. Why we have to discuss this material? Because is this material we can understand information implicitly and implicitly and identify and several linguistic of characteristic. So let's go check to the material. So what is the hortatory exposition? Hortatory exposition and a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain to the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. And hortatory exposition are popular among science, academic community, and educate people. Okay, next. The structure of exposition, that there are three. Number one, structure of exposition. The first is introduction. Introduction is to introduce the topic and outlines the purpose of the text, the present, the main arguments or point that will be explained in the text. And second is body paragraph. There are 3 points of body paragraph. First is main points. Each paragraph focuses on a single main point that supports the thesis. And first, supporting evidence provides facts, statistics, or quotes to back up each main point. And explanation clarifies how the evidence supports the main points and ties it back to the thesis. There are 3 points conclusion. First is summary, recaps the main points discussed in the body paragraph. Second, statement of thesis, reinforce the thesis statement in the light of the evidence presented. And 3, final thoughts, offers a closing thought or a call to action, leaving the reader with something to ponder. Okay, the next of exposition text. This number 1, descriptive exposition provides detailed information about a specific topic, person, place of thing. Second, explanation exposition. Explanation how something works or why something happens. Third, analytical exposition breaks down on concept or uses into its components to understand it better. Fourth, comparative exposition. Comparative and contrast two or more items, ideas, or phenomena. And the last is argumentative. Present an argument or a point of view supported by evidence and reasoning. Okay, the next characteristic. Characteristic of clarity and conciseness. User straightforward and unambiguous language to ensure the reader understands the information. And object tone, present information in a natural and unbiased manner, especially in explanatory and descriptive exposition. Third, the structure organization. Information is present in a logical order, often following a clear introduction, body, and conclusion format. And fourth, use of evidence provides facts, statistics, example, and quotes to supporting the main points. Okay, I have an exposition text. A little is our social media platforms have. Social media platforms, as one of the new media, have become a phenomenon in the world, including in Indonesia, with an amazing growing numbers of users. Data from the Indonesian Internet Network Users Association (APGIA) as of January 2016 reported there were 79 million users of social media in Indonesia. I am confident that social media allows all users to become producers of information, present an open space for responding to information, and build a virtual community with discussion in virtual space. However, I am afraid that the flexibility of discussion in social media is implying some negative impacts. The presence and increased intensity of hate speech and insecurity. Hate speech is a form of tolerance of other groups of people. Another view sees its following impact, which considers hate speech as an expression that attacks and encourages violence. As far as I know, this issue is getting more serious when many cases of violence are caused by provocation via social media. I often found attacking sentence to a certain tribe, race, or religion. For example, in 2015, the burning of the Tolikara Mosque in the Papua caused widespread fanfare because of the information confusion on social media. I believe that almost every social media user has shared their information on their social media, especially on the popular networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp. Unfortunately, this data might reveal them to various internet their threats such as fake profiles or impersonation, virus, and cybercrime. Fraudsters use the caption by asking for money to be followers on Instagram, pretending that they were the real users, selling fraud items at a lower price than the market price, or even sending suspicious like for phishing purpose. By all means, to reduce the negative effect of social media, the government must formulate better regulation for the digital community. This concept is often referred to as digital literacy. It enables people to access, sort, and understand different types of information which can be used to improve their quality of life. In addition, one can participate in social life, state, and politics by confiding their aspiration in certain channels. Through digital media, one can voice their perspective and opinions for justice without harming others, so that one can participate in social life better. Okay, after you read the text, let's discuss answer 3 questions based on the text. Question number 1. What is the communicative purpose of the text? The answer is C. To convince the readers how dangerous social media and internet are. Why? Because explain it using big data to reinforce that social media has an impact, but so the convince better represent the purpose of writing. Next, the question number 2. Why does hate speech on the social media platform might lead to violence? The answer is D. Because it might invite the provocation of a certain race of religion. Why? Because in the text it clearly that the cause is about provocation. As far as I know, that issues cause is about provocation, as when there are many causes of violence are caused by provocation via social media. And the last question is number 3. To make a better internet environment, the author suggests that. The answer B. Digital literacy through proper regulation is devised comprehensively. Because in the last paragraph, the author suggests the government to create regulation for social media users with strange digital literacy. Okay, that's all I can say about hortatory explanation netiquette. I hope that the material presented can help you to understand this topic. And thank you for your attention and see you again, guys.